Welcome to Vidya Virat. This video is made for class 8 on chapter number 3 understanding quadrilaterals, and we are focusing on the properties of parallelogram. Let's begin with it. Now look here, I have made ABCD as a parallelogram with O as a center where diagonals are meeting. So we will be discussing about various properties of parallelogram with the help of this diagram. So certain properties which you are already aware of, that opposite sides of a parallelogram are always equal and parallel. So if we look over here, AB is equal to CD and AB is parallel to CD. Same way the other one will be AD is equal to BC and AD will be parallel to BC. So it forms ABCD as a parallelogram. Another criteria or another property is that opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. That means you have angle A is equal to angle C and angle B will be equal to angle D. Thirdly, diagonals bisect each other. It means AO will be equal to OC and DO will be equal to OB. So these are the few properties which you should know for a parallelogram. Now let us again consider ABCD as a parallelogram with these interior angles as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now here we are going to discuss about the parallel lines and the transversal property. Let's begin with the first part, that is AB is parallel to CD and AD transversal, the green part, the green line which you see, and look at the interior angles over there. You have angle 1 and angle 4 on A and D. So what we are going to do is, we will say that angle 1 plus angle 4, that is equal to 180 degrees, and the reason for this we are going to give that sum of the adjacent angles on the same sides of transversal are supplementary, or we can also say that sum of co-interior angles are supplementary. Same way, if I choose same AB and CD as my parallel lines, but I change my transversal as BC, then what will happen? You have this brown line. What are the interior angles? 2 and 3. So angle 2 plus angle 3, that will be equal to 180 degrees. Let's change the another pair of the parallel lines. Now let us take AD parallel to BC and CD as transversal. Now what are the angles? 3 and 4. In that case, angle 3 plus angle 4 will be equal to 180 degrees. So what is the last option left? So if I want to take AD parallel to BC and AB transversal, the black line, you have 1 and 2 in the interiors. It means angle 1 plus angle 2, that will be equal to 180 degrees. So children, whenever you are using this property, you need to tell what is the reason behind it by mentioning any of the reason. Whether you can write sum of the adjacent angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary, or you can also write sum of co-interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degrees. Another thing, now you have ABCD again a parallelogram and you have BC as your diagonal here. Again we are going to use the parallel lines and transversal property over here. So just consider first AB parallel to CD and BC transversal. Now you see the green line, it's forming like a Z. So you have AB and CD parallel, of course they are opposite, and you have a diagonal BC as a transversal. So what are the interior angles formed in this? Angle 1 and angle 2. So we say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by the property that alternate angles are equal. Same way, if I change my criteria, AC parallel to BD and BC transversal. Now I change the other pair of parallel lines and BC as transversal. In that case, your interior angle forms are angle 3 and angle 4, which means they both will be also equal. Reason given over here is alternate angles are equal. So these are some properties which will be followed in the parallelogram and will be used many times. Please understand this very carefully. It is really important. Do some sort of practice of these questions. some of the exercises are based on this even. So first clear the concept and then try doing the exercise. It will be then very easier for you. Thank you very much children for watching the video till the end. Understand it. If still you have doubt, please let me know by email or even by the comment section box. I will definitely try to help you. Very soon I am going to come with the exercise part. So first understand this and then try doing the exercise. It will become easier for you. See you children soon. Take care. Goodbye.